Hello everyone, welcome to CADNest. I am Lloyd from Atinagara branch. In this class, I will tell you how to add the material to the component. How to add the materials in component. First, I will take simple drawing. I will take box like this and extrude this up to 400 mm. And again, I will take circle on this surface like this 130 radius circle, and again extrude this circle. Enter. Thousand mm. Okay, so you can see, rotate this, the component will be created, and lightly fillet on sharp edges. Fillet radius is 20 mm. Enter. So you can see fillet will be here, and again take fillet, take radius value is 20 mm, and select sides 20. Enter. So you can see so next go to material. How to add the material, how to visualize. Okay, and go material browser, go material browser and select Autodesk key on this click point. Click. You can see there are so many options of there, like materials are there, like ceramic, concrete, default, fabric, finish, flooring, glass, liquid, masonry, metal, metallic paint, mirror. So I can choose metal. Okay, again in metal there are so many options are there, like metal, aluminium, aluminium dark, aluminium flat, aluminium polish, aluminium cast, aluminium anodized dark, bronze, satin. So you can choose and select and drag this to component. Select and drag. Like this. What you choose, the material will be replicated. So I will choose aluminium dark and aluminium polished on bottom component. So you can see the material will be added like this. So this is the process of how to add the materials on component. Thank you for everyone watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our CADNest YouTube channel.